Welcome to AJ's Camera News. I'm your host, Pete, and this is AJ.
That's what you're going to do, is it?
But you do.
Like that.
Well, I just thought, why not? AJ's Camera News.
Right.
That'll be our theme tune.
Okay, that's a bit much.
The current format for the news is simple.
Right.
We find it very boring doing camera nerdery. Just use the camera and research for a new camera when you need a new camera. But when you have to meet the needs of a growing audience who don't have time to look at cameras, we send AJ out into the world of the internet to search for camera news for you for this segment. We call it AJ's Camera News.
I mean, everything about that intro was really impressive.
Thanks.
Apart from the jingle.
Start the news.
Okay, well, in today's news, first up, Sharp. You know the Sharp?
I used to have a VHS recorder that was Sharp.
Yeah, used to be on the Man United football kits.
That's right.
Yeah, Sharp. You know, if you're from the 90s or 80s, you'll know Sharp. Not really much in the consumer camera world. But that is about to change at the end of 2020 as they have announced and released the demos of their 8K Micro Four Thirds camera. It may well be the first 8K vlog camera. It's got a 33 megapixel Micro Four Thirds CMOS sensor. It's about the size of a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, quite small. Can record 10-bit 8K internally at H.265. Mini XLR articulating 5.5-inch LCD screen, so it's a front-facing monitor. Coming out at the end of 2020 for a cool $4,000. So it puts it squarely in the same bracket as the Panasonic S1H, the full-frame mirrorless Netflix-approved cinema camera. $4,000. I mean, you could get a Canon C.
I've got an issue with the news that you found.
What's that?
Our audience, we serve them up.
Yeah, new aspiring filmmakers, content creators.
Best Buy content.
Yeah, Best Buy content. Yeah, it's a good way of putting it. Yeah.
Vlogging.
Yeah.
Starting out on YouTube.
Yeah.
Upgrading your equipment.
Yeah, yeah.
Why would they spend 4K on an 8K vlog camera?
Which bit have you got objection to? The price point or the 8K? Or both?
They might have 4K to spend on a camera, in which case they would get a cinema camera.
Like the S1H, and have change.
But why would you vlog in 8K?
You wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. It would be a nightmare.
Right, so first piece of content in today's news, pointless.
Well, Sharp are making a camera that's not a TV camera.
Thank you, Sharp.
That's exciting.
And thank you for sponsoring Man United.
Yeah.
Because it's great to be able to get that many idiots in one place at one time. Makes the world a safer place. Next up,
Canon. You know our favourite Canon?
They
won't sponsor us because we're not good enough. So last time at Camera News, we talked about them releasing the 1DX Mark III and simultaneously discontinuing the EF mount for their RF mount, which is the new mirrorless range of lenses. Alongside that is now the rumours of 4 new EOS R bodies being released this year. So 4 new mirrorless bodies from Canon this year. The first 2 will be by May, interestingly. The rumours for this are pretty amazing on the specs, and I'll take it with a pinch of salt.
Well, don't, because we like Canon, so...
Oh, Canon have definitely done this. One of them, probably the EOS R Pro, will have a 75 megapixel CMOS sensor. Full frame. It will be able to record 8K RAW internally and possibly 4K at 120 FPS. There'll be a huge focus on dynamic range, and essentially this new EOS R Pro, which will be the top range one, will be a 1DX Mark III mirrorless with in-body image stabilization that apparently you will be able to record 8K RAW internally. Now,
I mean, Canon, that is impressive.
yeah. Do you think it's true?
I'd like to take this one further.
Okay.
Obviously it's true because it's Canon.
All right.
What we would like you to do is contribute some other rumours of what you've heard about the great Canon range. This could be impressive.
So basically, we're asking you just to make up and put it in the comments.
Please.
Because whoever...
I mean, there's the benchmark.
They just basically plucked out numbers.
Yeah, I know nothing about cameras, but what's really, really impressive...
4K 120 FPS.
In there.
8K RAW internally.
I'm going to have some of that. Yeah. All of the facts in one place. Comment section.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Have we got any pictures of it to kind of... Any leaked?
No.
I
mean,
can we
can make one up. That's a spaceship.
Why not?
The thing that people always fail to understand or appreciate about Canon is that they have a cinema range of cameras for video, and they have to protect that for their pro users. So there's always a balance between the cinema range, the XCs and the Cs, like C300, 400, and the pro level DSLR and mirrorless cameras that can happen to shoot good quality video.
Yeah.
Think the YouTube generation expect like what Sony offer, which is everything in one body, but Canon have this pro end thing that they're looking after. And I think as time progresses, that will merge over more, a bit like Panasonic have done with the S1H. But I can't imagine a mirrorless 8K RAW coming out this year. I can't see it.
Don't let the truth get in the way of a good story. Fill up the comments section with what you believe the spec could well be.
Anything.
It's far more exciting than...
just numbers.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. That's this week's incredible news headlines.
What should they do if they want more news, information, or filmmaking freebies, Pete?
Well, there is one thing you could do, and it will help put food on the table. The other day, I went out shopping.
Oh, yeah.
I bought one of these.
Every time.
No. I mean, I did, but it's in the affiliate links. You could click on it. Anyway, what you could do is sign up to our newsletter.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yep,
Where do you find that?
Well, it's just down there.
Okay.
It's just down there. We don't get paid for that.
No.
You just get entitled to free stuff.
More free stuff.
Yep. News alerts to things like this segment.
That was exciting.
And the occasional link to things that I saw just last Wednesday when I was out. I bought one of these.
Every time with the affiliate links. Everywhere you go.
Yeah.
I saw you doing it with your mum the other day.
You can get it down there.
You had your phone out. Oh, look, Mum, I bought one of these recently on Amazon.co.uk. And you had to do the disclaimer. By the way, this is an affiliate link. I might get paid a commission from this link.
Yeah, I better do.
Yeah. So if you're in need of filmmaking freebies or just the latest camera news and reviews, be sure to check out our website, 120fps.co.uk. And as Pete says, sign up to the mailing list, get your free stuff, download your freebies, maybe even subscribe to our YouTube channel. But
definitely write something in the content. And for now, that has been AJ's Camera News.
Brilliant. Right,
End of the first episode.
Yes,
That was good.
Done. Yeah, done?
I enjoyed it, yeah.
All right, bye then.
Yeah. Lights off quick.
Yeah. We need to say.
Yep. Probably put a bed in here and rent the house out.